All right, everyone. It's the end of an era. All of our outdoor furniture is gone. And it's on the truck. I'm gonna walk this way. Fucking shit show. You see that? Welcome to my fucking life. Jossie, baby.
Just in case you wondered, bitches in New Orleans, honey. Jocelyn has probably got COVID. I got 2 drinks. One's vodka, one's tequila. And we made friends. Life is grand. Cowboy party. Mine was better. Swan. Oh, you got a big old head. Hi, baby. All right. Do not pay for a 5-star hotel and come to New Orleans. Period. Who? Not worth your little monies.
So let's
Here's
go that
Bourbon
way.
Street, y'all.
Yeah.
I didn't get your face. I got your fingers though.
You don't care.
That looks like hell down there, and I'm uninterested. My hotel happens to be right there, apparently. I had no idea.
Yeah.
Like on the left or the right? Are we in the left? We're in the left.
Hi everyone, welcome back. I don't know where I'm gonna add this into this vlog or a moving vlog or whatever, but right now we are at some restaurant called Shipley's Donuts. Okay, I'll have to turn the camera around. I can't. Anyways, whatever a kolache is, kolache, I think it's sausage and cheese wrapped. I don't know. In bread, I don't know. So we're about to eat that. Okay, so we just got home. He's already eating a donut. But this is a kolache. Kolache. Here. Here. Oh, good for that. Smells good. I think it's just wrapped in a croissant. It's a sausage.
Or a hot dog.
Cheers. Let's go. Really good. Eat your ice cream, baby.
Is it already gone?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
A little too much bread for me, honestly. Please don't mind the mess. Lick your ice cream, weirdo. Let's go. I'll go back for sure. Is the kolache Spanish? Latino, like Mexican food? What is it? I say Mexican because we're fucking close to Mexico.
That lady was Chinese.
Well, she looked Filipino. She looked Filipino, you're right. But I don't know. And then, so we already ate 2 bear claws. Hell, motherfucker, yeah. Oh my god. Bitch. I don't think you can have this, Jocelyn. You want some? There you go. Oh my god. Okay, so we're about to go get Easter pictures taken of our dog with the Easter bunny. So, bye. Hello, welcome to our new house. Here is our empty house tour. This is Jocelyn, Lady Jocelyn. I don't know if you met her already, but anyways, come in. All right, first things first, half bath as soon as you walk in the door. If not done yet, I did put new lights in here so that we aren't yellow. But yeah, half bath. And then this is the living room here. It's actually quite large, so we are happy about that. Today is furniture delivery day, so I wanted to get this done before, so you guys can see it before and after. Over here, this is the dining room and kitchen, obviously. This fucking old ass counter, listen, we're renting. I'm not fucking worried about it. I wish it was an island flat, but it's not, okay? Here's the big ass dining room. Yellow lights, haven't changed that yet either. We did have a leak last week, but that's besides the point. Okay, this way. Everything upstairs. Garage is that way. Master bedroom's here, where all the love making goes down. Here. Hi, baby. Say, this is where we sleep in. This is where we sleep at. Tell them we sleep here. We sleep. Okay. And then, big ass closet here. Again, none of our shit's here yet, so. I mean, if I could do a cartwheel, I could do a cartwheel in here. You know what I mean? Bathroom's over here. I could probably do a cartwheel in here too if I wanted to, but ta-da. Don't mind the mess, it will be organized. Come on, baby. And like I said, garage is there. You don't need to go in there. Upstairs. Sky high. Here is my glam room. It's not done yet, and it's a little bit started, so I'll give you just a peek. Da-da-da-da. And that's all you get to see. Come on, Johnson. Come on. Guest bedroom, so if you're a guest that's lucky enough to be able to come in my house, honey, this would be the guest bedroom. You do have a fan and a closet, but you can't stay more than a week, bitch, don't worry. Nice little closet. The bed will be in here today, don't worry. Laundry room, do people really care about laundry rooms? I'll show you that once it's done. And then this is my get ready bathroom. This is gonna go in my beauty room, just so you know, temporary. This is where we've been giving the dog baths, to be honest, so this is kind of her bathroom. But yeah, in Corpus Christi, Texas. Let's go back downstairs and in this.
baby.
We gotta go get you some breakfast. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry that this is so short and weird, but the mover should be here any minute, and I wanted to get it done so I can fucking make this bitch look like a home and not a fucking deserted property. Here's some of my Easter decorations. So we are very happy that we are gonna have our stuff by Easter. We did beg, call. We didn't beg, borrow, and steal nothing, honey. Everything in this bitch is ours, okay? Paid for in cash. Secondly, I need to let you all know we are getting our stuff before Easter, so we are very, very happy and excited about that. Hashtag blessed. Please wait for my next video, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I love you all, and thank you for watching. Miss you all too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They said there's 6 crates, and then there's another truck coming with all of our other furniture.